So this is appropriately called Watch Out for the Walkers. So let's hit it. This is a red trail, so it should be more technical than the last trail. Can't see the rocks coming when it's grown over like this, which can be a bit difficult. Definitely more single trail than the last one. Not as flowy. We'll see how it's straight to the face. See how we go. Should get a bit better. At the outside, it's a lot more slower. These technical trails normally are. High line. Drop back in. If I go quiet, whoa, clip my pedal there. Oh god, that's a steep little drop off here. Bearing in mind, I am riding today with a 38 litre rucksack full of some camping gear, and I think that's all she wrote for that one.